start recording now. All right. So for all of you guys who are going to be watching this video in YouTube, this is the last session of the Coding Club for the fall semester of 2020, this incredible, amazing year. So I'm going to start sharing my screen. All right. And okay. For all of you guys who doesn't know Wix, Wix is an online resource that let us create web pages very, very, very easily. So in Wix is a tool that people who doesn't have any knowledge at all about web pages or coding or anything wants to develop a product, wants to develop something, wants to show something. It is awesome. To be honest, very easy, very, very easy. And I want to show you guys because I want to make a contrast, make a comparison. Because as all of you know, we were working with SORF Foundation, right? And in SORF Foundation, we have to go here. And if you want to become an expert and modify anything, very little detail or all the templates, there are tutorials, for example, that you have to take. There's a lot of videos, a lot of information. You know, this is more complex, more elaborate. There are lessons, right? There are courses, right? And for all of you guys who really want to be into coding and especially into web design, I believe this is a must. I mean, you don't have to pay for these courses, but it is a must to take at least the tutorial, take at least some training regarding foundation. And okay, so what we did was we used to take on the HO. You shouldn't crash, especially when I'm recording, okay? Says that there is a problem with the web page of Foundation SORF, which is very, very, very strange. Let me try it again. HTML templates. It's not working. Wow, maybe a lot of people is working with that right now. Anyway, we were working with the template, right? And we will have to modify the HTML code and also the CSS. We didn't get to modify the JavaScript. Maybe I can give you some JavaScript now, but we didn't get to do too much, right? And that's why we have this beautiful project that you see, right? So in Wix, you don't need to modify any code. So I want to ask you guys, for all of you who want or have the time right now, let's get it started. Go to wix.com, and get started, right? So you can sign up with your email, with Facebook, or with Google account, okay? I'm gonna do it with my Google account of the Tutor Coding Club.
Can you give us the link though?
Yes. Give me 1 second. Where is the chat? The chat. Just like that, Wix, like .com, Wix.com, right? So what I want you guys to do today is to try to do the same that we did for this project. In this project, we were doing an online store. There was an online store of books, cell phones, shoes, watches. Some of you did motorcycles, some of you do clothing. That's completely fine, okay? But the point is that we need to, well, we don't need, but the idea is to make a comparison. How easy it is to do it with Wix and rather than doing with the with the coding and everything. Okay. So I just want you guys to, when you are ready, when you are in this page, let me know. Okay. I don't want you guys to be.
I'm on it.
Okay, Ivan is on it. Kellen, Khalil, Kito, let me know when you are there. Kito, just log in. Perfect. All right. All right. All right, guys, take your time. Something that I like about Wix, and that's why I don't think we're gonna be doing Shopify, is because Shopify asks for credit cards. Yeah. Shopify, I'm not gonna say it's better. I kind of like it more, but the problem with Shopify is that they ask for a credit card right away. They don't play games. um, I don't think it's a good idea to be putting all information because maybe you're gonna get charged. They ask you for your credit card and you have to start for a 7-day trial, free trial. After that, they're gonna be charging you money. It's not a lot of money, but it's money, and we don't want you guys to be spending any money on that. So, okay, let me know, Kalen, Khalil, Kito, all right?
I have to go right now. I have the senator meeting like right now, but I'll
Oh,
come back.
okay, perfect, perfect. Don't worry. I try to I help you to catch up. All right?
Okay. Okay.
All right, bye bye. Okay, so Ivan is there, Khalil and Kito. You go to wix.com. Okay. I'm gonna press get started because I know it's very straightforward. So these questions are very important. And when you, as a designer, not even as a designer of a web page or any software or anything, when you have a client, you have to ask questions. So we are the client at this time. So that's why Wix is asking us some questions. So what do you want to create? What do you want to create a website for? Myself is a site for myself or my business. A company, this is a site for the company I work. My client, getting paid by a client to create this site. Helping someone with their site, a startup. So what we're doing is just a shop, an online shop. So this is not a startup, this is not a company, neither my client nor someone else. So we just press click on myself. Okay. Yeah. Have you created a website before? This is my first time. Created a few, created many. I've built sites professionally. This is also very important because, of course, depending on this, they're going to give you some other advanced option or not. We're going to do it the most basic. This is my first time. All right. So what kind of website do you need? We're going to be doing here. Shop, signature, online shop. Oh, see, online dress shop. For example, that's for Caroline. Gadget shop. Maybe that word for the, or what about cell phone? Cell phone store. Look at that, cell phone store. Or what about watch store? Look at that. For example, motorcycle shop. That's for you, kiddo. Right? So as you see, we have everything right here. Okay. So for each of you guys, when I want you to just select your the one that is very close, the closest to your shop. For example, even I think cell phones or gaming, something like that. Okay. For kids, motorcycles, Khalil, yeah, kind of cell phone as well, technology. And for me, it's watches, watch store, right? Online watch store, actually. So I go next. Tell us about your store to get recommended solutions. Are you already selling products? I am already selling. I am exploring. Yes, but I'm ready to start. Let's say that what we're doing is we're just exploring, you know. So you can answer a couple of questions of you can choose a template. I think there's a lot of questions right now. We did a lot of answering questions and we can answer even more, but I'm gonna prefer to choose a template. So question for you guys, who are here? Who of you is here? Ivan, Khalil, Kiro, who of you is here? Don't be shy, guys. Ivan, Khalil, Kiro, you guys in the webpage? Are you here or you already have the webpage done? Because I know it's very straightforward.
Are you still sharing the screen? Because I don't think you can do anything.
Why cannot do you do anything?
Oh wait, by the way, I have a question. So like, where do I press when when it says what do you want to create a website for?
When it says, what do you want to create a
Uh,
website for? Wait 1 second. What do you say, Khalil?
no, I mean, are you still like? How do I get off this screen? Because you're sharing the screen right now. Are you?
Yeah, I'm sharing the screen. Oh, but I mean, you guys should have the option, I mean, to minimize my screen. Yeah.
Let me see this because I'm a bit new to this Zoom thing. Give me a second.
Can you stop sharing?
Oh shit. Okay.
All right. So
Oh
for you,
shoot.
Ivan, you asked me, what do you do when, what kind of, or what is your website for? Your website for? So you have to uh, type in the kind of website that you have. You know, they ask you. I think if they give you options, just put myself. I don't know right now. Then they're gonna ask you exactly what kind of website it is. They're gonna use cell phone store or online cell phone store, on console stores, something like that. All right. Franquito, Franquito. All right. Let me know, guys. Okay. I'm gonna remind you guys, this is the screen that we should have right here. All right. After all those questions that we already answered, this is what we should have. Right.
I'm here.
You're there. Okay, perfect. Hiro, Kalir, are you there?
Yeah, I'm on the site.
You're on this side. Okay, perfect. Hiro, how you doing, Hiro? Okay. I guess you are there. Maybe you're having some troubles. Let me know if you have any inconvenience. All right, Hiro? I'm gonna move forward. So we can either start now with with more questions, or you can choose a template. I prefer to choose a template. All right. So let's choose a template, okay? And here we go. So this is the result for online watch store, because this is what I have, right? So for example, this one over here, watch store, right? I think that's the one, you know. Let me see what else. Online grocery, no. Oh, there's a bookstore. Look at that. Clothing store. This is for Camden. Or maybe the t-shirt store from Camden. Or the bike store, maybe for the motorcycles, kiddo, maybe. Maybe. Food. As you see, this web page looks really, really good, right? Let's go to the last one, 29. They have a lot of templates. Not like one or two. But you have plenty of options. Plenty of options. More than enough. You have to pick one. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pick the first one because pretty much that's one that I see is the best one. So let's press view. And let's view for demo. Okay, I already opened this, right? So I would like to know, guys, did you select any template? Khalil, Ivan, did you select any template? Kiro, let me know if you already select any template, please.
You mean like edit?
I mean, yeah, the idea is to edit. Yeah, the idea is to edit. This is the full demo, so you can see the demo, right? But this is the template to edit. So the idea is to edit, yeah. So for example, we are here, right? Just press it, edit.
Yeah, I did that already.
Okay. Okay, perfect. What about Khalil? I mean, who else? Who else? Are you guys there? As you see, this is the template. For example, this is the template for the watches. You don't have to have watches again. If you have a cell phone, please do cell phones, right? If you have motorcycles, please do the motorcycle. But as you see, this template is done. I mean, you don't have to do too much. I mean, look at these watches. These watches looks great. The content, look at the content. They already have content related to watches. The pictures related to watches, prices, they have everything. All right. You go to shop. For example, look at this. They have everything. They have everything. See? you go to about. Look at this. So I'm gonna modify this very quickly. All right, guys, just to show you how fast you can do this. All right. Look, this is a well elaborated web page. Okay, so I'm gonna start editing. Okay. What are you guys doing? Are you everybody is in the edit page? This guy, let me know. This is not Rochette. When I did the test, I don't like Rochette. Okay. I'm gonna do something like, because it's Rochette. I'm gonna do Georgette. Let's say Barbados May washes. Just want to make some fun, right? So I'm gonna leave this like this. I think it's good. So timeless quality, okay. Sample, guys. I'm gonna be editing. I'm gonna be editing. Well, but I hope that you are doing this as well with me. Okay. This- Don't don't go crazy with the content. Okay, guys. Doesn't have to be super elaborated. It's okay. So best Caribbean quality. Okay, I just modified the first paragraph. Let's see that I want to modify this picture. Right? So I'm gonna Manage media. I think in Wix you have, because this is the free version. You don't have too many pictures. I mean, you cannot add too many pictures. I think you have about 30. That's all you can add. That's what I remember. I remember that now. So let's see. Watches. Yeah. Images. Okay, I'm just gonna pick this picture. Let's see if I can do it with the link. Thank you, Kiro. Thank you. It's good to know that, all right? Okay. I hope all of you are following me. Okay. And what is Wix? Okay. Sites, files, trash, explore. Okay. Drag and drop files. Media types. I think you have to load it. I like to load pictures. I like to use it from the internet. Maybe if I add a link. No, it doesn't give me the option. Okay. Yeah, you have to download it. Say image. Gonna be a folder. New folder. 12. 12 to 20. What's going on? 12 2020. Okay. Right. And also gonna download a couple more. This. This. Let's download this. This guy, let's download this. Download this. Guys, let me know if you have any problem. I feel like I'm speaking to myself, please. Just let me know how you're doing, all right? If you have any problem, if I'm going too fast, if there's any concern, if you guys are lost, if your guys are doing even greater than I.
Oh yeah, by the way, how do you like change the image?
Okay, how I choose the image? You're not going for. Oh, I'm really sorry, Guido. Really sorry. So for you, Ivan, I just downloaded the pictures. Download the pictures right now, and what I'm gonna be uploading. Where do you load them? Again, give me 1 second. I press, I click the picture, yeah, right? And it gives you the option to manage media, okay? Manage media, what you do is to add media, right? Then you add a video, an image. You can add a video as well, all right? Just so that you know. Let's add an image, right? And it gives you the option to upload.
Do this.
Sorry?
Oh, sorry. No, I just confused, that's all.
Oh, it's just new. It's just new, but it's not, but it's very easy. Very, very, very easy. If we did it before in Copen, trust me, this is a piece of cake. It's very, very easy.
No, I still don't know how to do it because like should I just press like should I just press the image that says grid gallery? That says grid gallery.
Yeah. Look what I just did. 1 second. There's no pictures. Okay, home, right? Oh, they have also like pictures that are for free, right? So again, gallery, right? Right here in gallery. In gallery, you just add media and you just press image. And then you just upload pictures. Upload pictures. You can press upload media and also give you the option to paste the links. That's an option as well. Yeah. I just download them. It's all right. Quiz is kind of new for me. I just created, I think I just used it like twice. I have used Quiz twice, I believe. So add media image. So I'm gonna add this picture. Right? I'm gonna put it in picture number 1. And here we go, picture number 1. Okay. But I want to change the orientation. 1 second. Stretch. No. They used to give you an option. Okay. No. I want to see the watch. All right. I want to see the watch. This is what I want to see. Oh my God, this picture. It's driving me crazy. I'm sorry. Oh, this is a slideshow? Oh, okay. So just replace the pictures, guys, and replace the content, okay? Just let's do that. Okay. This is something important because what we have, we only have pictures, but we have products. So this is another new concept, right? Because, for example, because it is a watch store, what you have right here is these products, right? So we can modify these products, and if we modify these products, we can just drag them to the web page. This is a web editor. This is a web editor focused on people who doesn't have any idea about web pages. For example, this picture, I'm gonna remove the picture, and I'm gonna add another picture different than this. For example, this one. And the name of this product is JSOL Quartz 332. Okay. JSOL. Right, 79. No, too cheap. 200. You want to make it on sale, for example. So, oh, it's going to be on discount. So the discount is, I don't know, 15%. So the sale price is this. So for example, they so watch they so watch whatever, right? Don't go crazy, don't go crazy, just save it. And here we go, right? By the way, we don't have to have so many products. You can delete the products, okay? All right, so here, okay, 1 second. This is the product. I just want to remove the picture. Add another one, for example, this one. This is a Zenith. Zenith. This picture is not like super good. We still can work on it, right? So Zenith. Zenith, not Saint. Zenith. The price of this Zenith, I'm just gonna put 150. Everything's on sale. 10% sale. And Zenith sounds like Russian, so it's gonna be a Zenith Russian, I don't know, silver gold, silver watch. All right. I don't give it too much information because I just want you guys to modify this very quickly. Don't go crazy. I'm just gonna do 4 watches, maybe 6. I don't know. For example, these ones I'm gonna delete them. I want to delete them because I don't wanna go crazy, right? Right, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let me know, guys, how you doing. All right. All right, guys. Let me know how you guys doing, okay? They have 2 versions. This one is very interesting. So I remove this picture. I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna add another one. Let's see. Oh, I don't have. No, I don't have. Okay, whatever. All right. I think I'm gonna add another picture. All right. All right. Discount price 200. Okay. Gold watch. Gold watch. have it in regular gold and white gold. All right. All right. So let's see. Marisela, are you there? Hello, Marisela.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, very good, very good. How are you doing?
I'm okay. And sorry, I was in the other job information.
It's all right. Don't worry, don't worry. What we're doing now is we're working on Wix. Have you ever worked with Wix? Do you know what is that? Have you ever heard about Wix or Shopify?
No, Jorge.
No, not at all. All right, that's good. So Wix is an online tool to create web pages, right? So I don't know. I think you are pretty much done with your project, doesn't it? Can I
Yeah.
see your project, please? I'm gonna stop sharing for a moment. For all of you guys, you can keep working, right? So you, Maricela, you can share your project, all right? And show me what do you have,
Sure.
right? All right, this is a sexy open two strap ankle heel sandal. Wow. Very interesting. Your shoe store. Very, very good job. Can I see the top, the very top?
Yeah, I don't know why. Hold on. I don't know why. It was there, the picture. I don't know what happened. Let me.
Oh, I think I know what is. You don't have you have only one, right?
I'm sorry.
You put only one picture over there because I
Yes.
slideshow. That's why. That's why you don't see it because it's a slideshow.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, you can either delete the other ones and just leave one, or you can put more.
Ah, I got you. I wasn't sure what was doing that. Okay, so pretty much. So this is it. I
Very special on the weekend.
changed the title, some of the prices. I describe each item. And then at the end, I didn't add more stuff. And I need your help. I just only took it off the last, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
Oh,
then a
that's
couple other
fine.
things.
That's
And then,
completely
yeah, and then I left, as you can see, quality woman shoes. And that bar, I
Mhm.
want this gray bar, this gray rectangle to go all the way to the end, but I didn't know how.
Oh, I understand. Well, actually it looks good, but I don't.
Well, it's supposed to cover the entire web page, right?
Yeah.
Because I was deleting some stuff for diff. Um, I don't know. It just
Okay. I mean, to be honest with you, it's not a big deal if you leave it like that.
okay.
Because right now, I mean, you did a very good job, first of all. Second, I don't think we have like a lot of time to do it.
Right.
And the third thing is that to do that, I think we need to modify the CSS. And the CSS, to modify the CSS is very, very complicated for this kind of templates.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, exactly. We might, I mean, we can try to make like a trick to do it, but it might take some time to figure it out.
Gotcha. And then you were going to show us how to, when we click buy, to do the purchase.
No, yeah, exactly. But unfortunately, we don't have too much time.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, exactly. I mean, if I this semester was a little shorter than usual. There was only 8 sessions. Eight
I know
sessions.
we missed two-week classes for the holidays and for
I
the.
mean, kind of. We since the very beginning of the semester, I knew that we're going to be only 8 instead of 10.
Oh, okay.
It is 10, yeah, because I really want you guys to have some JavaScript and also to play a little bit more with GitHub and also, yeah, do something a little bit more elaborate. But
Oh,
I'm happy for all of you because I've seen very good jobs. I mean, with the template, and that's great. That's great. That's great. That's a good start.
so what is it? What are you gonna teach us today, though?
So what I'm gonna ask you, you know what? Just go to wix.com. It's wix.com. But right now, I'm gonna do this with you very quickly. So get started. Wix is a online web page editor. You can continue with your Facebook or either your Google or your email, any email account. All right. So you can get started. And now press to myself. All right. And then you're gonna this is my first time. And you have shoes, right? So you're gonna do online shoe store. Yeah, type that down. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. So I'm exploring. Yeah, exploring is good. And choose a template. I'm gonna press on choose a template. Yeah. So now you're gonna look which one you like the most. The first one looks very good. Usually they give you the first one. Okay, I think you open the editor, right? That's good. Just wait for a minute. Yeah, it's the editor. Yeah, just wait. Yeah. It's building, it's building. Gonna take a little time to do it. But I want you guys again to know is that as you remember, Maricela, before we have to use Foundation Surf, the template of Foundation Surf, and we have to modify the code, the HTML code, and we have to use CodePen, we have to do a little bit more of coding. But with Wix, this is for everybody who doesn't have any idea about web page or design or anything. So you can scroll down and see they have already choose picture, choose content. All right, they have everything like right for a shoe store. So you can go up and then press on shop, I think, or collection. Just right click on collection. I mean, left click on collection. Or press navigate and go to collection. All right. And now you see all the shoes, right? Very beautiful. The pictures are beautiful. Everything is so nice. Of course, the idea is that we can use our own pictures because ideally this would be our own online store, right? So you have boots, you have heels, you have flat shoes, whatever. You can go up, right? The idea of today is that you guys, it's the same idea of the project, but the idea is to do it with Wix, right? Wix is very straightforward. So I'm gonna ask you to have a big collection or anything, okay? And you can stop sharing now. I'm gonna show you what I have, all right? Okay, screen. So this is what I'm doing, right? Oops, oops. Here we go. Just gonna save this. Okay. All right. So as you see, I only have 4 products here in the main page and in the collection. In the collection, I just have 6. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do less, even less of that. Here in about, you don't have to even have an about page. Just change the content or change the picture, you know. Nothing crazy, really nothing crazy. You don't need to do, you don't need to do all this, all right? So that's for you, Marisela. Caroline, you're here.
Yeah.
Good to see you. All right. All right, Caroline, did you get to see did you get to see Wix? No, right?
No.
All right. Okay, gonna, oh, we just did it. But we're gonna do it again, don't worry. So go very quickly to Wix.com. Okay. And I'm gonna do it with you. You can share your screen, okay? I'm gonna stop sharing my screen and and we're gonna do it together, all right? Do it very quickly. So you can share your screen when you are in Wix.com. Oh, sorry, I sent that to Kiro only. This is for everyone. Wix.com. So I just send it to everyone. You can go over there, Camden, Wix.com. All right, perfect. So, oh, you already have, you had a website before? Camden?
Well, I don't think so. Well, I probably just opened. No, I just connected my email right now.
I think that you or somebody has, maybe you have a website a long time ago.
Oh no, wait, long time ago. Oh yeah, I do actually. I don't know why I have that. Sorry.
Oh, it's all right. It's all right.
It's a long time ago.
Yeah, Wix is not new. So yeah. So what we're gonna do now is, okay, let's go to Wix. I mean, press Wix, the homepage. Let's see what show up. It's just dashboard, right? So what we're gonna be doing now is customizing. Okay, the domain skip. Oh wow. Compare plans. The problem is that you already have one. So let's see if you can have another one. Let's press on my sites.
Where? Oh.
In the very top, yeah. All right, my sites. Okay, got free domain. Oh, what was that?
Oh no, I just pressed the create a website.
Oh, okay, perfect. Online. So you have books. What do you own? Do you have clothes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Store. Press on online store. And choose a template. Yeah. All right, perfect. So now you can do fashion and clothing, right? And now you can pick one. I think the t-shirt is very close to what you have, but you can have whatever you like. that one or anything else, you can take a look, right? Very beautiful, looks very nice. You can, yeah, edit this site. So what I'm gonna be doing, okay, it's gonna take some time to create the new one. So what is the idea, Canlan? Try to personalize this website the most you can, all right? Don't go crazy, you don't have to have 100 t-shirts or products or anything. And you can stop sharing now. I'm gonna show you the one that I have. We did it very quickly for you. So, okay, this is Georgette. It's just making fun, you know. I just put exclusive Barbados made watches just to make it fun, but can be anything. So this is the collection that I have, right? I only have 6. Actually, want to have only 4, right? Because it's just too much. I'm sorry, just too much. We need to move forward, and I want to get this done very quickly because I want to grab you guys to, you know, stay cool. Okay. It's very straightforward. Very straightforward. I don't even want to explain it unless you guys want me to explain anything. All right. But Wix is very, very straightforward. These are products, but these are washes, right? Washes are products. So you have, for example, you have your teachers in your case. Some other people have motorcycles. Maricela has shoes. Even has has cell phones. All right. So just manage your products, change the names, and change the pictures. Right. That's all. Don't go crazy. It says I am a product, so you are a product, right? So I'm gonna change you. Manage products. I already modified the first 3. Right? I'm gonna do this. I already add some pictures. How do you add pictures?
So Jorge, I have a question. This is like besides CodePen, this is another example of doing it. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. The idea of Wix is that you guys can compare and see how can you do the same thing, or at least kind of the same thing with different resources. All right? Because the idea is that that we are able to use what is out there and not just try to do things in the hard way. Even though templates is not like the actual hard way to do things. The actual hard way to do things is from scratch. And I don't think anybody do it like that. Maybe you do. Maybe we would do that only in classes, because we need to learn. But in real life, you just use whatever is ready.
So how is in the real world when you're looking for a job regarding this?
When you're looking for a job, you need to show a portfolio, right? If you're a web designer, you have to have a portfolio, you have to have a GitHub, and you have to have a LinkedIn. You have to, to show that you know what you're doing. You need to show that you know how to create some web pages. So, yeah, you can try using some Wix, but people is not dumb. I mean, I don't think nobody's gonna hire somebody to use Wix, but at least you can use Wix to do some layouts. You can use Wix for your layouts of the websites.
How about CodePen?
Yeah, CodePen, you can show CodePen definitely for some code for any web page. If you want to have some portfolio in CodePen, yeah, you can do that. I think it's a good idea actually. CodePen is very visible, so I think it's a good idea. but the idea is that you guys learn like how to offer solutions. There's people out there that doesn't know anything about web pages. You can create a web page easily in weeks, and maybe make some money out of it. Why not, right? So just to let you know, okay, this picture is too white. But yeah, that's the idea. Ooh. So, okay, resize imaging. I need to like zoom out. How can I do that?
Is this the last class or stop going?
What is talking to me?
Yeah.
What did you say?
I'm sorry. Is this the last class or we're still gonna be?
Yeah, this is the last. This is the last session. Yeah, this is the last session.
Oh,
Yeah, for this semester. Yeah, the semester, of course, there's gonna be more coding club. For you guys, so don't worry, we're coming back. Let Okay, I have my portfolio. It's not the super beautiful portfolio, but it's a portfolio. You want to navigate within pages, go to navigate, and then you press where you want to go.
can you show us a purchase?
Okay, that's very, very interesting because to set up the payment method, I need to, usually they ask you for a credit card. So that's the main reason I didn't explain the payment method. I had the payment method template actually. Unfortunately, we didn't have time. Let me show you guys. My CodePen, this is my CodePen. Is here. This one right here. Right? This is just a template. So, I mean, this is a template that I modified. Right? So you put the name, right? For example, our number, whatever. Right? You put the expiration, whatever. The thing is that you confirm, and the thing is that when you press confirm, it tell you successful payment or something, and or they show you something. This is the template. What's the problem? That to use the actual payment method, like PayPal or bank account, or anything,
Do that.
we have to pay. We do have to pay because we have to get access to.
No, I mean like how do you get the thing, the link, the part where like the purchase, the payment thing for JavaScript?
This right here, or the JavaScript for the payment.
JavaScript for the payments, and also the how it looks.
Okay. Give me 1 second. So the JavaScript for the payment is not that it's like an actual JavaScript for payments. All right. as I told you before, and I don't know if you realize it, but sometimes when you are paying in some web pages, they forward when you press, for example, pay something, or you have a card, right? When you have the card and you pressed, you click on pay, they send you to another web page. That's what they do, right? And that code over there is usually a very safe code and has a lot of safety measures and safety stuff. I try to look for some of it, and I saw, first of all, what I saw was very complicated, very, very, very complicated. But usually the information that I found was about platforms that connect to your web page. And that's how usually it works. They just,
No, I meant like how do you like take and like where do you get that from in order to move it?
you mean, how do you get what, the web page or the service?
No, I meant like it's hard to explain, but I can't talk right now. I can't tell that loudly. So, like, what I meant is like, taking a thing, like how it looks into CodePen. I meant. You get what I'm saying?
Oh, okay. The code, how it looks, the code.
No, like how do you move it to like no, like where do you got it from to begin with? Like how with the one you pointed right now is where
Okay, got it. Like how you link it from your CodePen or your web page to the platform.
Yes, this one I meant kind of, yeah.
Yeah, I understand that. So usually what you do is that, again, you hire a service, you hire a service, and with this service, you link in the platform, whatever platform it is, and you link your web page to that platform, and you modify exactly, okay, this web page, this web page is gonna have this link. You just put a link, and that's all. Actually, that's how hackers work, how hackers do their stuff. Because, for example, let's say that this is the link, or actually, okay, confirm button. Let's look for confirm button, right? As you see here in the confirm button, there's no link, right? But okay, on click my function. So on click my function, I can say that go to put a ref, go to this link. Usually hackers, what they do is that they modify those links. And with those links, they send to another web page that is very similar, very, very similar. What they do is just make a replica. They duplicate your web page. So, for example, when you press confirm or pay or whatever, the link that you have originally for the other platform or anything, what they do is that they just put their own links, and that's how they get your information. Because when you have something like this in a hacker web page, you are done. But I don't know if you got the idea. Yeah, you have to get a service. I was trying to get a free service, but no, there apparently there's no free services. I don't know. Usually because they are very safe. They have to have some. You have to pay for that when it's very safe. So you just link it very easily like this. There is very unsafe. Just do it like this, but yeah, just with a link, with an href, and that's it. We are good to go.
So Jorge, you usually have another page to secure this payment method.
Can you speak a little bit louder?
Hold
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
No, I'm saying that usually when you go through a payment method, you have another page where it has to be encrypted for protection of the customer.
Mm-hmm.
Is that how it works?
Exactly. Yep. Exactly. And many times those web pages are not related to the original web page you were in. They are just like a payment, it's a payment platform.
So how do I secure that? I meaning when I'm creating from scratch, I don't know.
Okay. Mm.
Listen, it's just curiosity.
Oh yeah, that's great. So let's take a look. Let's go back to Wix because Wix offer everything like right there, right?
Okay.
Let's go back to Wix. For example, here in cart is empty. Let's see where. I remember that they gave me the option because I want you guys to see it. Okay, Wix. Finances, payments. Related to the payment you receive, make sure customer can pay online. Add payment methods to your site so customer can pay you online. What's the problem with manage your payment method that they ask you for a credit card? So if you guys want, and do it with your own credit cards. You have it, right? So for example, accept credit debit card with Wix, recommended. Fully integrated payment processing, secure payments for you and your customers 24/7. This is the kind of platform that I am talking about, right? For example, depending on what kind of payment you're receiving, you have different options. This is the more common, credit debit. So these different platforms, uh, different than Wix, they have their own thing, right? PayPal is a little more complicated. You need to, there's, I mean, like everyone is a little different. So that's why you see it like this. And actually, when you are trying to put that in your website, there are some web page they usually offer you something like this that you can just pick. So for example, let's say that you're gonna do PayPal and credit cards. So connect me. So you want to make sure you get the right payment methods. Tell us if you are selling anything of this product or service on your site. No, wow. We're not doing anything weird. Okay, okay. Loading, okay. You have added these payment methods to your website. Accept credit card with what's next. To start getting paid online, upgrade to a premium plan, and that let's wow, that's great. And when I press upgrade now, here we go. You gotta pay. Right? But as I told you guys, this is like very straightforward. These weeks, this is like amazing. I tried to do the same with Shopify and was exactly the same thing. Actually, it was a little bit more complicated. This was very straightforward. So, for example, you just select a plan, whatever plan you like the most. Storage space, video hours unlimited, and priority customer, 24/7 customer. Let's say I'm just gonna take this plan, the cheap plan. And continue to check out. And here we go. You gotta pay, right? Also, let's take a look in, oh wow. So for example, this one is what I'm talking about. Everything you need to accept online payments. Here we go. And here we go, simple price list. Right? Okay, I didn't see this before. Processing fee, 12 cents. Payment method fee, 25 cents. Wow. This is very interesting. And a payment method.
What places they don't charge you for, I mean, they charge you if you want to use your credit card. If you don't want to
I
use your
mean,
credit card. Yeah.
this is the platforms, this is the kind of platforms, the platforms that I was talking about. This is one of them at the end, whatever it is. I saw a couple of more. I don't remember them now, but all of them were like this. And I think it's actually the best to do if you are actually planning to have a real website. If you don't have any idea, I think it's better to do this because it's very unsafe. I mean, the internet, there's a lot of people trying to steal your money. It's better to have some liability, to have somebody to ask for when things happen. So, and actually, this is the way you do it. You know, you just connect these platforms to your web page. So you create an account, but I'm not gonna create anything or do anything like that because they eventually ask me for my credit cards, for credit card, or you know, it's not free. It's not free. So yeah, there's another option depending on what you use. For example, if you create a web page with GoDaddy, they give you these options, right? You connect the online payments. This is also a good option as well. But as I told you guys before, the software platform is not just like a code. Oh, I have this code and I'm gonna start receiving payments. It doesn't work like that. Okay, it doesn't work like that. Yeah. So I'm just gonna modify this, guys. It's been time to wrap. It's almost 20 more minutes. So just let's try to modify the most we can. Don't go crazy. I think we've been talking a lot. That's okay. Right? That's okay. So we're gonna say here, manage product. Okay, this watch over here. Let's see, how can I use it? Duplicate. This is bottom 4. Khalil. Oh, my friend. All right, just for all of you guys, I want you guys to please leave the emails, send their emails. You're gonna be sending your Copen, okay, your Copen link, because I need to have access to your project. So what you're gonna be doing, guys, is to, for example, go here, your work. This is the dashboard, right? For example, go to the project, right? And copy and paste the link, right? Copy and paste this link. So Khalil, if you can do that, please, I appreciate it before you leave. This is Kiro. Okay, Khalil, if you can do that.
Is it for all of us?
Yes. Yes. You can still, you can keep modifying it, but I need the links because I'm going to be uploading. You know, so I'm gonna be downloading these codes. I'm gonna be then upload them again in the web page for the coding club. So yeah.
The thing is, I didn't get the JavaScript part though.
I mean, yeah, you know what? Let me share that with you. Just want to make sure that the links work. This is Maricela's. All right. Oh, wait, Maricela, I think this one that you sent me is not the one that you show me because this one has many more things, okay?
Yeah, I don't. Well, let me see what happened.
Yeah, send me the last one that you have that is complete. Yeah, this one is good, even. All right. So, Ivan, let me show you. Maricela, okay, give me 1 second. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, thank you, Maricela. Okay. Okay, this is for you, for all of you. It's a shame that we didn't have too much time to explain this. Well, this is the timer. This is the timer that I set up for my web page. Okay. Where's my web page? Okay, here. If you see, Black Friday discounts are expiring soon. That was like 3 weeks ago. So that's why you see the minus 6 days. Black Friday is over, right? But I can say, for example, instead of Black Friday, let's say Christmas. And November 25, December 25.
Where do you get the code from though?
I sent a link in the. Oh, wait. I think I sent.
It's privately though. It's only it's only sent privately.
Yeah. Sorry, right here. Yeah, you send the link. In December 25, 2020. No, December 24. Okay. And instead of Black Friday, I'm gonna say okay. Black Friday. No, Black Friday, no. Christmas discount. Okay, save it, and you can take a look. Christmas discount are expiring soon.
Well, how do you do that? I mean, like, how do you like add it to the area? I know you have to make some changes to the JavaScript, but where?
Okay. What I just did is that I created. Okay. 1 second. This is the code for the timer, right? Blah, 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 count time, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I'll put the result in an element with ID demo. Actually, I put ID offer. I change it very quickly. Document.getElement offer, right? So there's an element called offer. Control F, offer. So offer is the H3. Is the H3. What is the H3? You see this box over here? This H3 is this. You see right here. So what I did is that I put an ID offer, right? So document get element by ID offer. In the HTML, I'm gonna look for this offer and I'm gonna change that for Christmas discounts are expiring soon. Those days, hour, blah, 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 don't wait. this is what I add. I'm gonna paste, copy and paste it just for you, okay? I'm sorry that it has to be like so fast. And we have time. Okay?
No, like I meant like where do you put the no? I meant like where you put the text itself, like that says Christmas discount or expiring soon. Like where do you put it for the
Java, this is in the
for
JS.
HTML? I know it's HTML. Like where?
No,
That's what I
it's
meant.
not the HTML. It's in the JS. Look at my screen. You see the HTML right here, right?
Yeah,
It's
like
box.
you just put it. You just put some parts in there.
Yeah. For example, I can actually put whatever. I put anything.
I don't want to.
One second. I put anything. For example, doesn't matter because anytime when the web page open, this text that I just put anything is changed by the JavaScript. That's why JavaScript is so important because JavaScript modify the behavior of the web page. So the link, I mean, not the thing, the line of code that I just sent you is the only thing that I modified on the count, on the count down, yeah, the counter. So this line, what it's saying is that it's gonna look for offer. Offer is this test. Offer is anything, right? And then it's gonna set up this test with Christmas discount are expiring soon, plus the days, right? 21 days, plus the hours, plus the minutes, plus the second, plus don't wait. You are concatenating numbers and variables with strings, with characters. You can play with that. I mean, I'm not gonna be posting the projects in the immediate future. I don't plan to do that. I plan to work with that maybe next Wednesday when I start working. But I have to do first the ones from the last semester because I haven't done that yet. And then I'm gonna start working with the other ones. I'll give it in next week, maybe in like 2 weeks. I'm gonna be very busy next week. So yeah. Uh, let's see.
Works. Nothing works in my hand.
Don't worry. Don't worry. All right. It doesn't have to work like right away. Don't feel frustrated for that. Don't worry. All right. Um, having problems trying to this problem. We have so many things, guys, that you cannot even tell. It is a lot. Manage products. So, I think it's a lot to modify. All right, guys, because we only have like 5 minutes. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start just wrapping up. I'm gonna start saving the links for your projects. Oh, sorry, Kiro, I didn't see this before. You go to, okay. Because we're working on Copen makes things easier. So the only thing you need to do is to copy and paste the code on the JS part. And then you don't have to do anything else. That's it. Usually when we're working with JS, we have to do this. Where is it? We need to, 1 second. Usually we need to do, yeah, something like this. The script and open a script tag. Oh, here, like this, sorry. Use a script tag and then use source for a file, .js. Usually that's what we do it. But because we're working with Copen, we don't have to do it. So we just write everything down on the JS tab, okay? So let me, I don't think we have time. Okay, Wix, we try a little bit of Wix. I hope you like the explanation of Wix. Very easy to use. Okay, QCC club, sorry. What I'm doing, to open the chat. I need to open, oops. Camlin, you can send me, is Camlin here?
Yeah, I'm here.
No, you can send me your link of your Copen, please. can send to the chat. Okay, this is Kiro. Right. Maricela, the first one didn't work. Even. Maricela. Cameron. Perfect. So I don't need to see the projects anymore because I already see what you have, guys. All right. I think we're gonna start wrapping up. So, question for you guys. Some of you who wants to show me anything in Wix?
I still can't get it working because I don't know where to put it from my HTML. I mean, because the JavaScript needs to connect to HTML in order to work.
Yeah, exactly.
I know, but that's the problem. I don't know what to change for HTML. Like, they have to add some changes to it. They have to put like a div ID to like certain to like.
Okay, give me 1 second.
They have to like type in like a div ID or something.
Give me 1 second. Let's go back. Question: do you copy and pasted this code in the Java?
Yes.
Perfect. Do you have this line? Do you have this in the code? Do you have this? I send it to the.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the name offer. Do you have another name or is the same name?
I have the word offer in it.
Offer. It's the same. Okay. So this is the JavaScript. I assume that it's okay, that there is any mistake. Okay. Let's assume that. Then you're going to the HTML. And then you're going to look for offer. Control F, offer. Oh, sorry.
Wait, what do you mean by offer? Like, I don't. Mine didn't have anything to do with the word offer for HTML.
You don't have anything in HTML with offer?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a problem. It doesn't have to be offer. It can be anything else.
Yeah, I know, but like, I just want to put it in. That's all.
Okay. You can put it in anywhere you like. Anywhere. For example, more of our exclusive washes, for example, more of our exclusive washes right here. This is a title. This one, I can put the HTML here, for example. So this offer, this ID offer, I can move it here. Let me show you. Guys,
Well, okay, I think I see it now. So that's how you add it in. So you
Yes.
just put like H2. You put this is like something ID, and then put a quote,
See,
and then put a quote next to it, right?
Exactly. See,
Okay.
Use the ID. Use the ID after just the ID in a heading or in a paragraph. That's it. You see? Very easy. And that's how I put it right here. Look at this. I put it back just with the ID. All right, so I'm gonna stop sharing now. Any of you would like to share anything in Wix? Hiro, Ivan, Kemlan, Maricela, need to wrap up. Hello. Maricela, are you talking? I feel like it's very far. It's all right, Kiro, don't worry. Don't worry. Anyway, guys, well, it seems that, no, it's all right. Don't worry, Kiro. It's all right. Maricela is working on. Don't worry for it. I mean, it is completely okay. It's completely okay. And I just wanted you guys to experiment something different, experience something different, and that was Wix. Unfortunately, we didn't have more time to do anything else. Yeah, today is our last meeting. Yeah, until next semester. So it's all right. Don't worry. And I'm gonna be sending you guys, or where is the Coding Club webpage? Oh, it's actually in our YouTube channel or website. So this is this is the Coding Club. This is the Coding Club website, guys. I advise you to take a look of this website next year. Let's say, yeah, in January. Yeah. I'm pretty sure by January, everything is going to be loaded and your names are going to be there. God willing. All right. You're going to see your work. Okay. People are going to see your work.
Jorge, sorry, what is the link?
Oh, sorry. Oh my God. This chat is amazing. Okay. I sent it.
Got it.
Yeah. Right here. I just sent it to everybody. So anyway, just copy that link. If you want the link, you lost it or anything. I mean, yeah, I don't know. You have my email, and if anything, of course, you guys can send me email anytime, and you know, we can keep in touch that way. All right.
Thank you. Thank you for this whole semester. It was fun.
Yeah. Thank you.
And thank you, Vanessa, also.
You're welcome.
Very interesting.
Thank you.
Yes, Vanessa, thank you very much for organizing all these things.
Although,
welcome.
like, it's pretty interesting and pretty interesting experience for a club like this. So I'm thankful for that.
Okay. We're glad that you enjoy, guys. We do this for you, and the idea is that you have fun, and at the same time you learn something new. And well, anyway, we're gonna be here next semester. Maybe I'm not gonna be the tutor, but yeah, I'm very likely to maybe help a bit if they need me. But yeah,
You got a new job?
yeah. I mean, I'm very close to land a new job.
Great.
Yeah, I'm very close to land a new job. So let's see. Let's see. I mean, I don't want to disconnect at all, but yeah. Anyway, you can send an email to the Tutor Coding Club. We're gonna stay connected. All right. Anything you like, anything you need. All right, guys.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very
and
much.
Good luck.
We still hope to see you guys next semester.
So, like, are we able to like put our emails in there, or like, if to like have it be put or no?
You can send the emails to Vanessa, so that she have you in the email list. For the next semester, for the next semesters, you can register as well. All right. And if anything, also you can send me an email. My pleasure, my pleasure, Marisela. My pleasure, everybody.
I'm so sorry. I'm trying to add my email into the chat, but for some reason it's not allowing me. Because you're the host, Jorge. I'm so sorry.
No, but just copy it. I mean, you should, no? I think so.
It's not actually.
Really?
Yeah, I cannot hit, when I hit enter, it's stuck.
Okay, we fix that later. Just let me, give them your email.
Okay.
A second. Yeah. Oh, Mimi's not here today. It's a shame that she wasn't here for the last session. Okay, this is the Vanessa's email. One second. And also you can send her emails anytime you need it. At any time. My email again. Give me 1 second. Just let me type it in. Computer coding. Sorry, coding club at gmail.com. Computer coding club at gmail.com. Okay. So that's Vanessa, and that's my email.
So like we can like email to you like if we want to if we're interested in like joining again.
Yeah. Yeah. If you want to join that again, if you have any question in general about coding or anything, you can send an email to me, and I may be more than. That will be my pleasure to answer you guys. No? So, well, anyway, we're gonna be wrapping up. I hope that you guys do very good in your finals. You have a very good end of the semester. And well, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. Try to take it easy.
Yeah, happy holidays to you too.
Happy
All
holidays.
right.
Both of you.
All right.
Holidays.
Yeah, happy holidays for all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So well, I'll see you next semester. All right. Bye bye.
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 Stop recording.